What camera should you use for YouTube? Well, this is really up to you, but you really should just make a video. So if you have an iPhone or whatever, just use that. What really matters is the quality of the audio. Now, that's one thing people cannot stand. People can understand if it's a fuzzy little video. Now, with that said, I did buy myself a pretty nice camera for YouTube. So I got myself the Canon, let's see, the Canon, I'm reading over here, Canon EOS M50. So Canon EOS M50. It's really nice. It has a really nice lens on it as well. So that way it has a nice blur as well for like the background and stuff. Now, I didn't really need to do it this quality of a camera. But what I kind of want to do this camera was because I have some issues with lighting. So cameras can make a huge difference. Before you invest in a camera, I would definitely look into if you want to do the lighting better, because lighting is a lot cheaper than buying a new camera. If you do like add a bunch of lights, maybe go outside, you're still having issues with your camera, then yeah, you probably need to invest. But real quick, let me just show you the one of the cool things about my the camera that I use for YouTube. You can see my background is completely blurry. The reason being is the lens that I have. So if I walk backwards, you can see it's no longer blurry, but as I'm going inwards, you can see it gets blurry and blurry and blurry. So what's happening is it's the actual lens. So it's not some compositing. So that's why it just looks so nice. And because it's blurry, I have a black screen. So if I just move this out and then just let the lens just kind of distort a little bit, what's going to happen is going to blur the background. So you can see my hand, it gets blurry. So it's blurring the background. So I get this really nice black solid screen without any compositing. So I just wanted to share that. So there's me, there's my Canon camera. You can see I'm using OBS to do the recording. And then we can see my window. So my window is my fill light, and then the key light is this light up there. So I have just a nice big light up there, and then I have my window, and then that provides me the lighting that I need. Not sure if you saw the quick little tidbit, the camera, right? So the camera is here, and it's pointing at an angle. The reason being is that way you get my best features. Now, if I, let's say, am above the camera, then you're going to see like my little neck right here. But by having the camera above me pointing at an angle, imagine my phone, right, is my camera. So I have it right here. You can go like this, and I'm going to point it downwards like this. So this is kind of like the optimal setup that you want to do, is so that way the camera is higher than you in pointing downwards. So then you don't see that neck, because otherwise if it's something like this, right, let's say just face level, then you're going to see that double chin. So you want to keep that in mind when you're positioning the camera. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.